Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Amazon password if you have forgotten it. If you find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, what we're going to do first is come across to our amazon.co.uk or .com or whatever part of the world you're in. And what you're going to want to do first is put your email address in. Just for the account that you forgot the password for. And then click continue. And then what's going to happen is going to bring up the password screen. And if you look just above the box, there's a forgot password link here. All you want to do is give that a click. And then what's going to happen, they're going to ask you for your email address or mobile phone number. So if you don't know what the email address is, you could also put the mobile phone number if you no longer have access to the email, for example. But in this example, I'm just going to put the email address and then click continue. And then what's going to happen, they're going to send a code to that email address. So what you want to do is just go into your email, and then what you're going to do is just put that into here. Like so, and then click continue. And then from here, it's going to ask you to enter your new password. So all you want to do is just come up and type your new password in here. And then just re-enter. And then click the yellow box which says save changes and sign in. And you'll see what's going to happen. That's going to change your password, update it, and you'll have access again to Amazon. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.